All right, let's continue working on question 30 part B. This is taken from HSC past paper 2021, published by Caringbah High School. All right, a drug is used to control a medical condition. Is known that the quantity Q milligram of drug remaining in the body after T hours satisfies an equation of the form Q equals to Q0 e to the power of KT, where Q0 and K are constant. We have done that in the first part of the working. The initial dose was 6 milligrams, and after 15 hours, the remaining amount of dose in the body is only half, which is 3 milligrams. Now the question is, after how long will 1/8 of the initial dose remain? 1/8 of the initial dose remain. So what is 1/8 of the initial dose? The initial dose was 6 milligram, right? So that will be 6/8 milligram, which is 3/4 milligram. So the question is, how long does that take to reach up to 3/4 milligram or 0.75 milligram? Okay, so we can use the given formula to calculate this. Q equals to Q0. Q0 itself is 6. We know that from our previous work. EKT, and we also know K already, okay, from our previous work here. So we are going to use that. Now, the remaining amount of chemical or drugs in the system is 3/4 milligram. That is equal to 6 E. K is ln half over, or let's write it this way to make it easier for us to use a space. And the question is, how long does that take? Okay, so let's divide both sides by 1/6. So 1/6 of 3/4. So on the right hand side there is no more 6. So that will be just e to the power of 1/5 ln 1/2 times t. So that will be 1/8 e 1/15 ln 1/2 times t. So t by itself. So firstly, we are going to ln, we log both sides. So we got log 1/8 log e to the power of 1/15 ln 1/2 times t. From there, we get ln 1/8 equals to 1/15 ln half times t. So t is basically, it's a lot of writing there, but we'll get there. Ln 1/8 divided by 1/15 ln 1/2. Okay, so put in a calculator, it should be approximately 45 hours. That's the way how we work on question 30B.